Hi, my name is Brian Wyndham with Sunspace Texas. I'd like to welcome you to the special project, the St. Jude Hope Home Project site at Mission Ranch in College Station, Texas. Our main goal here today is to beat childhood cancer. The way we're going about that is through the St. Jude Dream Home Showplace project, bringing great businesses, great people together to create this home, which upon completion will be sold with 100% of the profit going to the St. Jude Research Hospital to beat childhood cancer. Sunspace and Sunspace Texas love the idea of this cause. We jumped at the opportunity to help participate by donating our materials and our time to this great cause. So what we've designed for this family is a Sunspace Texas room, which we designed for this family so they can go out, sit outside without the nuisances of the bugs and the weather conditions. So come over here, let me show you what we did. Model 200 vertical stacking window system. It's a complete enclosure. You can stack the panels down or stack them up. You have full screen, 75% airflow. You can close them to where you're completely protected from the elements. No wind, no rain, no dust, no pollen. We use a ViewFlex memory vinyl, which blocks out 100% of the UV rays. It's actually stronger than single pane glass. Frame colors choices, we have 5 different frame color choices, 7 different window color choices, 4 different tint colors for our ViewFlex memory vinyl. In screen, we have 5 different choices. So the advantage of this room is you're able to go outside and relax and enjoy your time outside without the nuisances of bugs or the weather. If the weather is nice, you can stack the windows all the way down. You get 75% airflow coming in. When the weather turns nasty, if it gets windy or rainy, you go to them, you close them and drop them down, and you're completely protected from all the elements. All of our products are custom made. We have no standard sizes sitting on the shelf. So whatever your porch is, the width and the height, we come out, we measure it, and it's the porch or the system is custom made to fit your complete opening. When we order your product, it's a 6-week delivery time because it is a custom-made product. Once we get it, it's typically a 1 to 2 day production or installation time. My installation crew have been with me for over 8 years. Majority of what we hear is, it turned out greater than I expected. That's the best compliment we can hear, and we hear it time and time again. It's just they were not expecting it to be that nice and that great of a system. Every room we do, we all feel a little bit of pride because we've built something and it's enhanced that family's lifestyle. They're able to go outside and enjoy their space. They're able to utilize that spot longer throughout the year than otherwise if it was not an enclosed space. Everybody is familiar with what St. Jude's is about and what they're trying to accomplish. They're trying to get that last 20% of the curable rate for childhood cancer. So it's a great cause, and we love being a part of it, and we are so excited. And we see it on people's faces when they've come through just recently for the reveal. Everybody was very excited. My name is Brian Wyndham with Sunspace Texas, and we thoroughly enjoyed the ability to participate in the St. Jude Dream Home Showplace project. It turned out great, and we're so excited that some family is going to get a great spot for their back porch.